Hey, beautiful souls! Let's talk about hair, something I'm super passionate about. Having healthy, thick, and shiny hair not only boosts our confidence, but also makes us feel amazing from within. But let's be real, achieving those hair goals can sometimes feel like mission impossible, right? We're going to uncover the things that might be secretly sabotaging your hair goals and share some incredible natural solutions to combat those issues. Get ready to transform your hair care routine. Okay, let's talk about those chemical treatments we all love and sometimes regret. You know, the hair dyes, perms, and relaxers that promise us a whole new look? While they can definitely give us that instant transformation, we've got to be mindful of how often we turn to them. These treatments can strip away our hair's natural oils, leaving it dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. Imagine your hair strands like a delicate silk thread. Now, picture those chemicals as rough sandpaper constantly rubbing against it. Over time, the thread becomes weak and loses its natural shine. Now, I'm not saying you should say goodbye to them forever. If you love to experiment with your hair color or texture, go for it. But remember, moderation is key. Just like we give our skin a break from makeup, our hair deserves a breather from harsh chemicals too. Trust me, your hair will thank you for it in the long run. Let's be honest, who doesn't love the feeling of perfectly styled hair? I know I do. But here's the thing. That sleek and straight look or those bouncy curls often come at a cost. Those trusty heat styling tools that we rely on so much, like hair dryers, straighteners, and curling irons, can actually be quite damaging if we're not careful. When we expose them to excessive heat from styling tools, it strips away their natural moisture, leaving them dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. And let's not even get started on those split ends. They're like the ultimate betrayal after a long styling session. Instead of reaching for those hot tools every single day, why not embrace your natural hair texture a few times a week? Give your hair a much-needed break and let it breathe. Your hair will thank you for it. We all know that what we eat impacts our overall health, but did you know it plays a huge role in the health of our hair? It's true. Just like plants need nutrient-rich soil to thrive, our hair needs a variety of vitamins and minerals to grow strong and healthy. So, if you're constantly feeding your body with processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, it's like depriving your hair of the essential nutrients it needs to flourish. On the other hand, when you nourish your body with a balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, it's like giving your hair the VIP treatment. These nutrient-rich foods are packed with vitamins like biotin, vitamins A, C, D, and E, as well as minerals like iron and zinc, all of which are essential for healthy hair growth. Biotin, for example, helps strengthen hair strands, reduce breakage, and promote overall hair growth. Trust me, your hair will thank you for it. Stressed out strands, how stress impacts your hair. Okay, let's talk about stress, that unwelcome guest that seems to overstay its welcome in our lives. We all experience stress at some point, but did you know that chronic stress can actually wreak havoc on our hair? It's true. When we're constantly stressed, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol. High cortisol levels can disrupt our hair growth cycle, leading to hair shedding, thinning, and even premature graying. Now, I know it's easier said than done to simply eliminate stress from our lives, but the key is to find healthy coping mechanisms that work for you. Whether it's incorporating mindfulness practices like meditation into your daily routine, indulging in a relaxing hobby, or simply taking some time for yourself to unwind and de-stress, finding ways to manage stress is crucial. Remember, beauties, a happy and relaxed mind often translates to happy and healthy hair. The power of moisture quenching your hair's thirst. Let's talk about hydration, but not just for your body. We're talking about quenching your hair's thirst. Just like our skin needs moisture to stay supple and radiant, our hair craves hydration to maintain its natural shine, bounce, and elasticity. When our hair is properly hydrated, it's like 1,000 tiny mirrors reflecting light, giving it that enviable shine. But when it's dry and parched, it becomes dull, brittle, and prone to breakage. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to hydrate your hair is to incorporate a moisturizing hair mask into your weekly routine. Another game changer is using a leave-in conditioner or hair oil. These little miracle workers provide continuous hydration throughout the day, taming frizz, adding shine, and protecting your hair from environmental damage. Environmental enemies. Protecting your hair from the elements. We all know that too much sun can be harmful to our skin, but did you know that those same harmful UV rays can also wreak havoc on our hair? It's true. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can break down the proteins in our hair, leading to dryness, brittleness, and even color fading. And it's not just the sun we have to worry about. Pollution, another environmental villain, can also take a toll on our hair health. Those tiny particles of dirt, dust, and smoke that pollute the air can actually cling to our hair strands, making them look dull, lifeless, and weighed down. Protecting your hair from these environmental enemies is easier than you think. Just like we apply sunscreen to shield our skin from the sun, we can protect our hair by using products that contain UV filters. And if you're planning to spend a lot of time outdoors, consider wearing a hat to give your hair an extra layer of defense. Oil treatments, the secret to luscious locks. Let's talk about hair oils, those little bottles of magic that can transform your hair from dull and lifeless to luscious and healthy. For centuries, women around the world have relied on the power of natural oils to nourish, strengthen, and enhance their hair's natural beauty. Think of hair oils as a tall glass of water for thirsty hair. They penetrate deep into the hair shaft, delivering intense moisture, smoothing down frizz, and adding a radiant shine. One of my all-time favorite hair oils is coconut oil. This tropical treasure is a powerhouse of nutrients, including lauric acid, which has a unique ability to penetrate the hair shaft and strengthen it from within. Another incredible option is argan oil, often dubbed liquid gold for its remarkable hair benefits. And let's not forget about castor oil, a thick and luxurious oil that has been used for centuries to promote hair growth. Fueling hair growth, the power of protein. Let's talk about protein, the building block of life and the secret ingredient to strong, healthy hair. Just like our bodies need protein to build and repair tissues, our hair relies on protein to maintain its strength, elasticity, and overall health. When we don't consume enough protein in our diet, our hair can become weak, brittle, and prone to breakage. The good news is that incorporating more protein into your diet is easier than you think. Start by adding protein-rich foods to your meals and snacks. Think lean meats like chicken and fish, eggs, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. These protein powerhouses provide the essential amino acids that our hair needs to grow strong and healthy. And if you're struggling to meet your protein needs through diet alone, you can also consider adding a protein supplement to your routine. Scalp Care 101, the foundation of healthy hair. Let's talk about scalp care, the often neglected step in our hair care routines. We lavish our hair with shampoos, conditioners, and treatments, but what about the foundation from which it grows? Our scalp? Think of your scalp as the soil in which your hair takes root. When we neglect our scalp, it can lead to a buildup of product residue, dead skin cells, and excess oil, creating an environment that's less than ideal for hair growth. This buildup can clog hair follicles, leading to issues like dandruff, itching, and even hair loss. So how can we give our scalp the TLC it deserves? It starts with regular cleansing. Just like we cleanse our face to remove impurities, our scalp needs a good cleanse too. Another game changer is incorporating a scalp scrub into your routine once or twice a week. Hydration from within. The importance of drinking water. Let's talk about hydration, but this time we're going beyond topical treatments and diving deep into the importance of hydrating from within. We all know that drinking enough water is crucial for our overall health, but did you know it plays a vital role in the health and vitality of our hair? Water makes up a significant portion of our hair strands, keeping them hydrated, elastic, and less prone to breakage. When we're dehydrated, our hair suffers too. It becomes dry, brittle, and loses its natural shine. On the other hand, when we're properly hydrated, our hair reaps the benefits. Water helps to flush out toxins that can hinder hair growth, promotes a healthy scalp environment, and improves blood circulation to the hair follicles. So, how much water should we be drinking for healthy hair? While the general recommendation is 8 glasses a day, it's always best to listen to your body and adjust your intake based on your individual needs and activity levels. Herbal infusions, nature's gifts for luscious locks. Let's talk about the power of herbs, nature's little gifts that have been used for centuries to enhance beauty and promote hair health. Long before bottled shampoos and conditioners lined the shelves, women around the world turn to the healing properties of herbs to nourish, strengthen, and enhance their hair's natural beauty. One of my all-time favorite herbs for hair health is rosemary. This aromatic herb is a powerhouse of antioxidants and has been shown to stimulate hair growth, strengthen hair follicles, and prevent premature graying. Another incredible herb is peppermint. This refreshing herb is known for its invigorating properties, and when applied to the scalp, it can help to increase blood flow, which in turn can promote hair growth. And let's not forget about hibiscus, a beautiful flower that's not just a treat for the eyes, but also a boon for our hair. Hibiscus is rich in amino acids, which are essential for hair growth, and it's also believed to help prevent premature graying and promote hair thickness. Embrace these natural remedies and watch your hair transform. Less is more. Why overwashing your hair is a big no-no. Let's talk about overwashing, a common hair care habit that could be sabotaging your hair goals. We all love the feeling of freshly washed hair, but washing our hair too frequently can actually do more harm than good. Our scalp naturally produces oils that are essential for keeping our hair moisturized and protected. When we wash our hair too often, especially with harsh shampoos, we strip away these natural oils, leaving our scalp dry, irritated, and prone to producing even more oil to compensate. This can lead to a whole host of hair problems, from dryness and frizz to dandruff and even hair loss. So how often should we be washing our hair? Well, it varies depending on your hair type and lifestyle. The key is to listen to your hair and adjust your washing schedule accordingly. If your hair starts to feel greasy or weighed down, it's probably time for a wash. But here's a little secret. You don't always need to use shampoo every time you wash your hair. Embrace the journey to healthy hair. So there you have it, beauties. We've uncovered some of the biggest culprits behind hair damage and explored incredible natural solutions to combat them. Remember, it may take time to see noticeable results, but consistency is key to healthier, thicker, and shinier hair. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more hair care tips. I'd love to hear what you've tried in the comments. What has worked for you in achieving thick and shiny hair? Do you struggle with thin or dull hair? Have you tried any natural remedies that worked for you? What's your secret for shiny hair? Comment your thoughts below. I can't wait to hear all your amazing tips and tricks.